Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlock Cash App Green status. All right, let's begin. Cash App has a new layout, but the main sections are still the same. Your home screen shows your cash balance and your card controls at the top. The new feature is Green Status, which appears right under your balance. It shows how long your status lasts and what perks you can use. When you tap Green Status, Cash App explains how to qualify. You need either $300 in direct deposits added to your Cash App or $500 spent with your Cash Card. Once you meet one of these requirements, you unlock several benefits. These include 5 custom card offers each week, access to the highest savings interest rate at around 3.5%, higher borrow limits where available, free overdraft coverage, free in-network ATM withdrawals, free paper money deposits, and priority phone support. The most helpful perk for many users is the higher savings interest rate, which grows your balance automatically. So that's basically how you can unlock Cash App Green status. That's it for this video. Thanks.